Something strange lived in the sky, and it kept sneezing. In a colorful town called Sunnyville, there lived a small cloud dog named Milo. But Milo had a strange problem. He kept sneezing. Achoo! He sneezed and jelly beans started to flow. The kids became happy and ran to collect them. The kids were happy, but soon the town became messy and sticky. The mayor becomes worried as candy wraps around him.
My God!
The kids climbed into the clouds and gently tickled Milo's nose. Achoo! Magical event ensued. In addition to jelly beans, rainbows appears. Town giggles and Milo chuckled. Sneezing can be magical too.